my description. But Cassandra, I'd like to hear from you and your experiences. And you've been very good about challenging me, which I appreciate, because I think that is courageous. And obviously you trust me to be able to do that. And you're sending me resources that I'm going through them.
I think for me, it's refreshing for someone to say, what are some of the things that I don't know? Can you help fill in some of the blanks? Because I think sometimes when you come from a place of privilege, you don't know what it is you don't know. I mean, how would you know that you don't know it, right? And so just saying, hey, give me some things. Where's some things that I can look at? Give me a different point of view. And I think that's really what it's about, is saying, you know what, let me just see a different viewpoint and see things from your lens, because that will help me understand you a little better. So when I speak, you will understand my perspective, because we have to understand that each person is a culmination of their experiences. And so if you don't understand my experiences, then how do you fully understand who I am when I stand in my place and I speak? And so being able to say, I understand those experiences, and and not saying that I'm just going to gravitate and take hold to them, but just understanding that they're different.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.